Green status on Cash App comes with a ton of features, starting from a free overdraft coverage to getting up to 500 USD in Cash App loans. This green status is just what you need if you want to bank the best way with Cash App. In this video, I'll be showing you what this Cash App green status actually is, how to qualify for it, and how you can maximize your benefits through this new trending feature. So let's get into it. Cash App Green Status is a free rewards program that unlocks premium banking benefits that you normally not have with a regular Cash App account. Yes, when you earn a green status on Cash App, you get access to a higher borrowing limit of up to 500 USD, a free overdraft coverage to up to 200 USD, saving interest up to 3% APR, custom cashback offers, free ATM withdrawals, and a priority fund support. Of course, in order to qualify for all of that, you need to meet the requirements for a green status on Cash App. This means you must have a Cash App card. If you haven't ordered the Cash App card, it is good time for you to order one. And once you get your card, you can qualify for the direct deposit requirement. This direct deposit requirement is one of the core requirements that you need to meet each month, each calendar month, to be able to maintain your green status on Cash App. As for the direct deposit requirement, you need to receive a minimum of 300 USD in a calendar month for you to qualify for this feature, or you can still spend 500 USD in a calendar month with your Cash App card to maintain your green status. So how do you know you've actually earned the green status on Cash App? You should know, or you should be aware of this green status when you go to your profile icon and you see this green status. You can as well see it from the banking tab, which should show green status and once you click on that, you see the numerous benefits that are available for you to use right away. So making sure that you meet these green status requirements each calendar month is going to ensure your green status for the successive months that come ahead. Okay, with the green status, you can unlock a whole ton of features and maintain them while you use Cash App, unlike other regular Cash App users. So make sure that you receive 300 USD in direct deposit, or you spend up to 500 USD monthly with your Cash App card for you to maintain this Cash App green status. So that was it about the Cash App green status and how you can actually get this feature on Cash App. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.